Hello adventurers! Meet the Keystone 210, an ultra-lightweight inflatable kayak designed for both adults and kids, weighing just 6 pounds and perfect for spontaneous exploration and fishing adventures. This packraft accommodates users up to 6 feet 6 inches tall and is crafted with unmatched durability, featuring a 70 DTPU tube and a 210 DTPU floor that resists abrasions and punctures, ensuring your safety and the kayak's longevity. Its compact design folds to a fraction of the size of traditional inflatable kayaks, making it ideal for minimalistic travelers, and it comes with a versatile 4-in-1 inflation bag that doubles as a seat, dry sack, and carrying case, along with a repair patch kit for added convenience. The rapid inflation system allows you to spend more time on the water and less time preparing, with the optional Giga Pump inflating your packraft in about 2 minutes. Although the paddle and life vest are not included, this kayak supports up to 265 pounds, making it perfect for every adventure from tranquil alpine lakes to meandering rivers. Elevate your outdoor experience and bring nature's beauty closer with every paddle stroke, all backed by a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. So, grab your gear and get ready to explore with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.